Here I have another plant, cypress vine, which I gave a support as well. This is also another beautiful small flowering plant. Here I have the gomprihenna. I have these two colors, purple and also white. Here I put some vinca cuttings. Here I put vinca cuttings at the mogra plant pot. A small vinca cutting. It's also growing at the palm plant pot. I put a small cutting. This is a hybrid vinca plant. I'm trying to grow gomprihenna with these flowering plant seeds. This is a flower, so I'm trying to get it dry and make more plants. I didn't forget to put some green plants as well. I put some jade plant cuttings. Here I have some cuttings of jade plant. In the monsoon season they also will grow very beautifully. Here I got some cuttings of baby tears plant as well. So I put them in a small planter. Really so beautiful. Another green plant. This is our all-time favorite. All seasons we grow this plant. This is a money plant cutting and I put it in water to propagate. So this is another plant you can grow in the monsoon and one of our favorite plants because very easy to grow. You can put them in any planter or any DIY bottle or anything to propagate because these plants are very easy to grow and propagate and multiply. So this is a wonderful plant for any season. Any part of the year you can grow this. My bougainvillea flowers also blooming during the monsoon. Now here I have this beautiful aparajita plant, a small plant, and it is growing in the pot of this bougainvillea. So I am going to leave it as it is. I want both of them to grow together in the same pot. Flowering plant, I don't know the name, friends. I have to find it out. But there are some beautiful orange color flowers on it. So I took a small cutting of that and I put it under the bougainvillea plant. Here's another blue bougainvillea. This is a rangoon creeper, which we call as the madhumalati as well. So this is also a new cutting I put. So this is the monsoon season. I put all the flowering plants during this time. Here is a small aparajita, another one, and I put a cutting of this is Brahma Kamal. I hope it will grow well during the monsoons. Aparajita grows well in the sunlight, so I put it in the bougainvillea plant. So I hope to put the vine up and grow it in the same pot. This is a beautiful butterfly pea and it's growing so well. Rangoon creeper cutting also the same. They are also sun-loving plant. So both these plants are growing well, and I will hope to do another video once they grow a bit. This is a ginseng ficus plant cutting. I put it in water. So now you can see it's well rooting. This took about 21 days, 3 weeks to root. So I have kept it near my window and it's rooting well. I can put it in a pot.